Canada's north, vast, remote, and on the threshold of unprecedented change and exceptional challenges for the safety, security, and defense of Canada's northern frontier. Poised to meet those challenges is the Canadian Forces Joint Task Force North. The major change in this northern landscape is the melting of Arctic sea ice and the consequent opening of seaways that were previously impassable. Shipping in the Canadian Arctic is on the rise, as is the number of research vessels and eco-tourist adventurers. As access increases, so does the potential for environmental accidents, pollution, and criminal activities like drug and arms trafficking, illegal immigration, and terrorism. The role of Joint Task Force North is more vital than ever as it exercises Canadian sovereignty, stays on call to Canadians in times of emergency and civil disaster, and promotes social development. The Canadian military has operated in the North since the days of the Klondike Gold Rush, when the Yukon Field Force helped the Northwest Mounted Police keep the peace. As the North opened up, the Army brought radio communications to the frontier, and the Royal Canadian Air Force began photo mapping the North. In the late 1950s, Canadian Forces Station Alert was set up on Ellesmere Island. In 1970, Canada established a permanent military command in Yellowknife. Today, military responsibility for the North falls under Canadian Joint Operations Command, which oversees 6 regional subcommands, including Joint Task Force North. Joint Task Force North is the largest area, covering approximately 4 million square kilometers. In this vast, thinly populated region, cooperation is essential. Joint Task Force North brings together a uniquely integrated military and civilian force. At headquarters in Yellowknife, a small Canadian Forces complement coordinates the activities of Air Force, Navy, and Army personnel in the area, including the Canadian Ranger Patrol Group. Easily recognized by their red sweaters and ball caps, the Canadian Rangers are dedicated, knowledgeable members of the forces. In remote, isolated communities, these reservists report unusual activities, collect local data important to the Canadian Forces, and conduct surveillance or sovereignty patrols when needed. Many ranger groups sponsor a Junior Canadian Ranger program in their community. Junior Rangers have an opportunity to learn, grow, and experience skills and activities rarely offered in the North. The Canadian Forces also reaches out to young people through the Army and Air Cadets Corps. Here, teens gain first-hand knowledge about Canada and opportunities to explore their country. Canada's regular forces are gearing up to meet the new challenges in the region. The Canadian Navy will add more ice-capable Arctic offshore patrol vessels and a new berthing and refueling facility. In the air, the highly adaptable Twin Otters continue to aid search and rescue missions and provide vital transportation and support to the Canadian Forces operations. Regular northern surveillance patrols are performed with satellite-based systems. There's Project Polar Epsilon, a space-based initiative that uses imagery and information from Canada's radar satellite to enhance land and sea surveillance for all Canadian forces. This eye in the sky will be able to see in all weather, at any time, day or night, enabling Canada to reliably and accurately monitor ships in real time, as well as determining changes in the elements of this fragile ecosystem. Ongoing enhancements in equipment and technology will allow Joint Task Force North to continue meeting their mission to support the safety, security, and defense of Northerners. The new Yellowknife Company, the expansion of the Arctic Response Company Groups, improved search and rescue response, new logistics support concepts, and advanced telecommunications all form the new capabilities to meet tomorrow's needs.